In a city filled with premium homes, very few truly stands apart because true distinction is not about size alone. It is about planning, privacy and permanence. Hello everyone, this is Karima and welcome to County 107. Today, we are going to see an ultra-luxurious 11,000 square feet duplex residence crafted for those who don't just buy homes, they build legacy. As you enter, the first thing you notice is not design, it is space. Wide passages, premium marble underfoot, clean lines and calm proportions. Nothing here competes for attention. Everything feels composed. A private duplex residence that offers the quiet assurance of a villa within a secure premium high-rise environment. So this apartment has two levels. The lower level is dedicated to shared living. A formal double-height drawing room offers a dedicated space for hosting with elegance. It's ideal for welcoming guests or holding private conversations while keeping the more personal areas of the home undisturbed. The drawing room opens onto a spacious private deck, creating a natural experience between indoors and outdoors. It's a perfect setting for holding sunset conversations, intimate celebrations, and hosting under the open sky. Moving further in, the homes open into a spacious family lounge designed for everyday living. It's calm, comfortable, and filled with natural light. It comes with a powder room with all the premium fittings. The modular kitchen is thoughtfully designed, balancing form and function. It comes with ample storage with all the premium fittings. Supported by 2 utility areas and 4 servant rooms, it allows all daily operations like storage, laundry and service to remain efficient yet discreet. The dining area sits seamlessly alongside with the kitchen, flowing naturally between dining and lounging. Its placement supports both everyday meals and private gatherings with equal ease. This level also includes 3 large, well-planned bedrooms, ideal for guests or senior family members. Each room here is treated as a master bedroom, comes with attached bathroom, excellent proportions, giving you the privacy without isolation. Here, even guest rooms carry a dignity. The master suite is expansive and serene with the walk-in wardrobes and a luxurious bathroom. It also comes with a private balcony with the beautiful views. The additional bedrooms are equally generous, each designed as a master bedroom, comes with attached bathrooms and a private balconies. Along with 3 bedrooms on this level, you also get a private activity and recreation room, a space designed purely for indulgence. As you step out onto the balcony, you're greeted with a private jacuzzi, your personal retreat right at home. It's a perfect place for unwinding away from more social zones of the home. The internal staircase connects to the upper level, reinforcing the true experience of a duplex while maintaining the spatial flow of a private villa. As you arrive on the upper level, you're welcomed into another spacious family lounge. It is calm, bright, and perfectly suited for relaxed evenings with the family or for private gatherings. With the family lounge, we have an open, versatile space that adds flexibility without excess. This can be styled as an extended seating area, a gallery-led corner, or a discreet private bar. In addition, we have a dedicated private lift to access both levels effortlessly. This level also offers 3 well-appointed bedrooms, out of which 2 are master suites, each one offering generous proportions, refined detailing, and complete privacy. Every bedroom comes with an attached luxury bathroom and walk-in wardrobes. Every bedroom has a private balcony with beautiful city views. We have another multi-purpose room on the upper level that can be used as study, gym or home office. It comes with an attached balcony with beautiful views. One of the most exceptional features of this residence is the flexibility of the access. Both levels can be accessed independently through lobby lifts, providing you the separate entry when required, whether for guests, extended family members, or multi-generational family. With 6 bedrooms, multiple lounges, dedicated servant rooms, private decks, jacuzzi balconies, and approximately 11,000 square feet of refined living area, This residence stands among the most distinguished homes the city has to offer. This is not simply a duplex at County 107. It's a home defined by scale, luxury, and enduring elegance.